This tutorial outlines the steps to develop a simple Java application that works with 6Estates IDP Platform. After following the steps in this tutorial, you will be able to enjoy the efficiency and convenience of our IDP platform for information extraction. First, we create a new folder anywhere on the computer. Here I create a folder called Java_test. Now we access this folder through the terminal and use the following commands to create a new directory called myapp with a project configuration file and a basic Java class. Wait for it to load. After running it successfully, you can see a folder called myapp on the left panel. Now open the pom.xml file and configure the latest version of the SDK by copying the snippet of code. Then, we declare the Java SDK as a dependency. Next, let's go on to write our main program in app.java. Because our demo requires some basic packages, we first import these packages here. For the details, you may refer to the GitHub repository of this sample project. Here I will be preparing two functions, submitting an extraction task to 6Estates IDP Platform and query the extraction result from the IDP Platform with the task ID. Let's see how to upload the file and submit a task to IDP. First, we initialize the 6Estates IDP client. Remember to change your access token to your own token. This code snippet shows how to create a task info object to request a new IDP task. Over here, remember to input your file name, file path and file type accordingly. Actually, 6Estates IDP Platform supports processing more than 20 kinds of file types, including bank statement, commercial invoice, receipts, packing list, bill of lading, etc. 6Estates IDP Platform is also able to process many files formats including readable PDF, scanned PDF, images, mobile photos and etc. For more details, please refer to our online IDP API document. Then, I create a separate function of submit a task. This function returns the task ID for the tracking of task status and getting the extraction result. You can also use other attributes to configure the task. To do so, you can refer to our tutorial document. Now I am going to prepare how to query the extraction result with task ID. I write a separate function here as well. This function is to get the field extraction result given the task ID. In the main function, we get the return task ID from function submit task. And use the task ID to run the query task function. Then build project and run the application. All we have to do now is wait for a while and the process will be complete. You can see here we get the task ID and we query the extraction result every 5 seconds. Now we have the extraction result in a JSON format. For a detailed explanation of each attribute of the response, you may refer to our online IDP API document. Here you can see that it's very easy to integrate the 6Estates IDP platform into your application. 6Estates IDP Platform helps you process complex documents efficiently and makes your work easier.